Hello, hello. This is Donna Denson, the Dynamic Diabetic, coming to you today with the Diabetic Minute for everyone who wants to get and stay healthy. And today we're going to talk about salmonella. Yeah, great topic, right? But we need to look at this because not everybody understands all about it. So when we go to the grocery store, we buy what we think we're going to eat or freeze, right? And we bring it home. And a lot of times we put it in the refrigerator and we're going to have it that night or the next night, and life happens. And for some reason, we go out. Something disrupts our life, and we don't use that food timely. And then we look at it and we're not sure. We're not sure if we should eat it or not. So this actually causes the most frequent cases of home acquired foodborne sickness. In other words, we get sick from our food by it going bad in our fridge more than anything, because we're not sure if it's right. And I want to talk about chicken because that's the biggest culprit. Okay, chicken. We need to use our eyes and our nose and our fingers to help us figure it out if it really is still good or not still good. Okay, so the first thing we want to look at is the color, right? Chicken should be pink, not gray, not with dry yellow spots. It should definitely be pink, okay? And if it's not cooked, it should definitely not be older than 5 days, okay? Definitely. If it is, no matter what color it is, you don't want to eat it. Number 2 is the sniff test. We use our nose, right? Anybody who's ever smelled bad chicken knows you'll know it's bad, right? Because it's potent and it is sour. It's has kind of an ammonia aroma, rotten eggs, fishy. It's just really nasty. So if you smell anything, you don't want to eat the chicken. You can also feel it, okay? Chicken has a natural little bit of sliminess to it, just a little. But if it's real slimy or if there's any mold, we don't want that either. Even if it smells okay, we don't want it. Always check the date, of course. Chicken raw, you need to use within 1 to 2 days, okay, of the date. 1 to 2 days of the date on the package. And 3 days, no, gone. Okay, sorry. Then we want to look at whether it's cooked or frozen. A little bit of help for you. If it's cooked and you put it in the fridge, then you need to eat it within 3 to 4 days, period. All right. If it's in the freezer and it's cooked, you need to use it within 3 months. If you put it in the freezer and it was raw, then you can have 9 to 12 months, depending on your freezer. You don't want it to get icy. You don't want it to get nasty. But those are some guidelines because that is the biggest culprit in salmonella poisoning for us. And even though you'd think everybody knows that, maybe not. You know, a lot of people don't know what to look for in different meats. So we might cover another one another time. But since chicken is the biggie, I thought I would bring that to you today. So when you're eating your chocolate, you don't want bad chicken with it, right? I hope that you learned something today. Knowledge is power. So always trying to give you a little more power. I hope I found you safe. I hope I found you well. And you know, I always hope I found you happy. This is Donna Denson, the Dynamic Diabetic. May God bless and keep you till we connect again. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.